Kolb Firestar, designed to comply with FAR 103 ultralight regulations, limiting its empty weight to just 254 pounds or 115 kilograms. The aircraft can be powered by either a 40-horsepower Rotax 447 engine or a 28-horsepower Rotax 277 engine. Its frame is built with welded steel tubing for the front fuselage, while the tail boom is made of aluminum. The wings and tail are crafted from aluminum tubing and covered with a special fabric. A standout feature of the Firefly is its quick-folding wings, which make it easy to store and transport. When purchasing the kit, buyers can choose from several options, such as a complete cockpit enclosure, brakes, and even a ballistic recovery system for added safety. A quick build option is also available to help speed up the construction process, making it easier for home builders to get their Firefly into the air. Designed to be lightweight and durable,